See the next question. Banker's gain on a bill is 1/5 of the banker's discount and the rate of interest is 20% per annum. Find the unexpired period of the bill. What is unexpired period of the bill? Unexpired period of the bill is nothing but T. T value you need to calculate. First write the given data. What's the given data? Banker's gain BG value. BG value is equal to 1/5 of the banker's discount, that is BD. BG is equal to 1/5 of BD. Okay, and rate of interest R is equal to 20%. It's equal to 0.20 or 0.2. Okay, T is equal to question mark. Now use the formula. See, we have the formula F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. Okay, this implies F is equal to, what is BD? We don't know. BD into TD divided by BG value we have, that is 1/5 of BD. Okay, now see BD get cancels. Okay, this 5 will move to the numerator, right? So this implies F is equal to 5 times TD. Phase value is equal to 5 times TD. Then again see, we have the formula phase value is equal to F is equal to 5 into, what is TD value? True discount. TD is equal to FTR divided by 1 plus TR. Okay, formula, right? Equal to 5 into TD formula. TD is equal to FTR divided by 1 plus TR. You can check the formula list. Now see, here F get cancels. Okay, so cross multiply, what you will get? 1 plus TR is equal to 1 plus TR is equal to 5 into TR. Okay, now see, or you can simplify this one. See, 1 is equal to 5 TR minus TR. This implies 1 is equal to 4 times TR. This implies 1/4 is equal to T into R value is 0.2. Okay, simplify this one, you will get T value is equal to 1.25. T is always in years, right? Unexpired time T, that must be in years. So no need to convert it into years. If you calculating T, if you are getting T value directly, means that must be in years. Okay, so T value is equal to 1.25 years. See the next question. A bill for rupees 2,920 drawn at 6 months was discounted on 10,497 for rupees 2,916. If the discounted rate is 5% per annum, on what date was the bill drawn? Write the given data. Face value equal to rupees 2,920 drawn at 6 months, that means bill period equal to 6 months. Okay, discounted date of discount. Okay, date of discount is equal to 10,497. Okay, and the discounted value is equal to rupees 2,916 is given. Rate of interest equal to 5% is equal to 0.05. Okay, date of drawing equal to question mark. Okay, now see, you need to calculate T. Okay, we want unexpired time. If you know the unexpired time, you can calculate legally due date, right? Since date of drawing is given, since date of discount is given, date of discount to legally due date, middle time we called unexpired time. If unexpired time is given, means from the date of drawing plus unexpired time, what you will get? Legally due date, right? So first you need to calculate legally due date. For that we want T. Okay, so to calculate T, discounted value is given. Apply the formula. Discounted value equal to F minus BD. Okay, discounted value, it's equal to, what is a DV? 2,916 is equal to 2,920 minus BD. This implies banker's discount BD is equal to, if you calculate, it's very simple, you will get rupees 4. Now see, apply BD formula. BD equal to FTR. We want a T, right? It's a very simple formula. BD equal to FTR, because F value is there, R value is there, BD is there. You can calculate unexpired time easily. This implies BD is equal to 4 is equal to face value 2920 into T into rate of interest equal to 0.05. This implies here you will get T is equal to 0.02739. Some numbers are there. Okay, years, right? T is in year, you need to convert into days. So 0.02739 into 365 days, right? That will become days. You will get T value is equal to 10. Okay, it's approximate value. If you use calculator, you will get T equal to 10 itself. Okay, now see unexpired time equal to 10 days. Okay, 10 days remaining for legally due date. Okay, therefore legally due date equal to date of discount plus unexpired time, right? That is correct, right? See, date of discount plus T unexpired and T, what it will give? Legally due date. Okay, so calculate legally due date. Legally due date is equal to date of discount. Bill is discounted on given data 10/4/97. Okay, plus 10 days. Okay, so legally due date equal to 10 plus 10, 20 days. Okay, April 97. Legally due date equal to 24/97. Okay, then how to calculate date of drawing? Date of drawing equal to, okay, first legally due date, okay, then minus, right, legally due date minus bill period minus grace period. Implies legally due date is 24/97, bill period equal to 6 month given, grace period equal to 3 days. Okay, 20 minus 3 means 17, minus here see 497. Okay, 497, then you need to go back 6 months. Okay, then which month will come? See, 4 month is there. 4 means April 97. Okay, April 97 is there. From April 97, 6 months back. Why back? Your subtraction is there. Okay, first month what you will get? March 97. Okay, then February 97, January 97, then December 96, right? Why? Your year back, you are going backward direction, right? December 96. Okay, then November 96. Clear? Why November 96? Why clear? Because see, you are going back. Okay, 97, what's the back here? 96, right? Okay, then October 96. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, October means it's a 10, right? Okay, so 17 10 96. Okay, see, it's a 96, not 97. Why? You're going 6 month back. Okay, you're going 6 month back means year will change, right? So date of drawing is equal to 17 10 1996. Okay, be careful while calculating date of drawing. You're going back means if you cross January, then year will be changed. Okay, see the next question. The difference between BD and TD on a certain sum of money due in 6 months is rupees 27. Find the amount of the bill if the rate of interest is 6% per annum. Okay, see, difference between BD minus TD. BD minus TD equal to what's given data? It's equal to 27 rupees, and due means pending, unexpired time. T is equal to 6 months. 6 months equal to half year. Okay, and what you have to calculate? Find the amount of the bill face value equal to question mark if the rate of interest is 6%, r equal to 6% equal to 0.06. Okay, now see BD minus TD equal to 27. What is BD minus TD? It's equal to BG, right? BG equal to 27. Since BD bankers discount minus true discount, it's equal to bankers gain. We have the formula. Okay, now see BG is there. BG formula we have TD into TR. Okay, BG equal to TD into TR. 27 equal to TD into T. Okay, unexpired time it's equal to 0.5. Half year means 0.5 year, right? Into rate of discount equal to 0.06. If you simplify this one, you'll get true discount is equal to rupees 900. Okay, now see TD is there, BG is there. How to calculate BD? Okay, we have the formula BD minus TD is equal to BG. This implies BD minus TD is 900 equal to bankers gain BG equal to 27. If you simplify this one, you'll get bankers discounts equal to rupees 927. Okay, rupees 927. Okay, now see you need to calculate face value. F is equal to question mark, right? Find the amount of the bill. So we have the formula BD is equal to F into T into R. This implies BD 927 equal to F into T value 0.5 into R value 0.06. This implies face value, if you simplify using calculator, rupees 30,900. So face value of the bill equal to 30,900. See the next question. A banker pays rupees 4,520 on a bill of 5,000. 146 day before the legally due date. Find the rate of discount charged by the banker. Banker pays 4,520 on bill of 5,000. That means F value, face value equal to 5,000. But bankers giving discounted value 4,520. Okay, rupees. Okay, here also rupees is there. Okay, 146 days before the legally due date. That means unexpired time T equal to 146 days equal to 146 by 365 years is equal to, use the calculator, you will get, you can simplify or you can keep it as 146 by 365 only. Okay, what is the question? Rate of interest equal to question mark. Okay, now see we have discounted value equal to face value minus banker's discount. This implies 4,520 equal to 5,000 minus BD banker's discount. This implies BD banker's discount, if you calculate this one, equal to rupees 480. Okay, now BD value is there, F value is there, and T also there. Okay, question is R value, right? So you can apply the formula BD is equal to F into T into R. This implies BD banker's discount 480 equal to face value 5,000 we have into T. Okay, T value unexpired time is 146 divided by 365 into R value, rate of interest. Okay, if you simplify this one, you will get R value is equal to 0.24. It is in decimal. How to convert decimal into percentage? Okay, this implies R equal to 0.24 into 100% equal to 24%. Clear?